I booked for a family room with sharing other rooms. But when I came lately at night, the other guests already stay in my room that I choose. Because of the error double booking in Agoda. But the host was so responsible to find the way out. He call his neighbor that still have an empty room, the houses is for rent along this street, and he not just give us a room but entire house. We enjoy to stay here. Smile. Value for money, homey and clean. The owner has maintained the oldest style as what it should. We love the vintage design, a simple home feel. Relax and calm. The hotel owner is very friendly. The house number 8 has a cafe from the hotel, very tasty and cheap. Good Wi-Fi. Good and best. Value for money and location good. Nice family room for 4 adults. At first worried about the parking, but there are area to park the car and it is much more easier to park at night. Location also strategically to the attraction places. Love to book again next time. Everything okay, nice, clean and comfortable. But, when we arrived, need to wait 45 minutes for staff clean the bedroom and wash bathroom. Nice to stay. Toilet is quite clean, is a good place for resting and recharging. Room price is reasonable, and their decoration of the house are full of creative idea, is really inspired me. The staff is really polite and being very helpful for us when we need any info. A lovely, hard-working young couple. Running a guest house, restaurant and tourist business. And they have a 3-month-old baby. Quiet, peaceful location just 100 meters from shops and bus stop. Would happily stay again. Not bad, boss, they're quite friendly, room is clean and comfortable. Recommend to those like homestay. Well managed, clean and home-like place built in 1934. This was an amazing stay during my Penang trip. It just nearby everywhere we went and easy to find the location. This was my second time there, and I was upgraded to a double room with the ensuite bathroom, which was great. It is an old house from the 20s, as the name suggests, so it really feels like a home that is well maintained and makes you feel relaxed. I was given some buns by the owner on arrival because they knew I could not get a restaurant due to late arrival. The breakie was vegetarian, and they are really eager to make you feel welcome. I was showed the nearby art gallery and the people there were happy to chat. Location is not super central but has access to good I just love the place. It really felt like a home. The management really made me feel that way instantly. It was laid back and friendly. It's an old 10,930s house, with an art vibe, very clean and beautiful street, with a few cool places to eat and enjoy a drink/dessert at night time. They serve a veggie breakfast and there are a few. All are okay. A very special experience staying a night here, spacious space and common area for dining, friendly host.